Looks like I had an internet hiccup. So just restarting the whole session. Thanks for the follow. Bad gal. Let's see. Let's get the YouTube chat up and running. Oh, internet. Looks like a power spike. Well, actually, internet was a power spike. Back into it. I mean, it looks like... Oh yeah, I was looking at the forces being applied and not to the wall. It looks like it is. It's falling off in the right direction. Except that when it's standing on the ground, somehow that force is not strong enough to push it away. Also, wall counts as a debris, huh? Kinda wanted collider projectiles. I think that would be good. Okay. Let's back out into the wild and see. Unfortunately, a few things. Actually, if I just add corners, let's watch them bang it out. Boing, boing, boing. Yeah, those pieces get stuck. I want them to fly like that. Maybe I just need to apply more force. And then I'll add all the other walls into it. Where did I push? Right here. Oh, it's because it's a random chance. Yeah, I think we can work with that. But yeah, I definitely need to add more parts. Alright, so before I do all this, I'm applying the damage to all the other walls. Reacts to wall. It's been partially destroyed. Sounds like storm is coming. No wonder my power flipped out. We'll see if it keeps staying on. Alright, was that all I did? I think so, that's all it was. Yes. Alright. So let's see. I have the thing working fine with... Oh, what the hell is this? Building pieces? Yeah. So implement a collider for this type of wall. So the biggest bang for the buck after that would be to do a corner. Yeah, let's grab this corner. Right now that means creating a brand new file. Okay. Let's see what kind of cell structure we get. Actually, before that. Last time it didn't work and I cell structured it this way. Actually, it's fine this time. Is that what I had previously? Wall fracture. Yeah, I have 5 pieces, alright. This is 5 as well. Yeah, we're annoyed to rescue. I actually remember using some plugins of Blender where you could define the cuts using like lines. I don't remember what plugin it was at this point though. I could probably just play around with this until I'm happy. Oh, that's... The one thing you need to be careful of is that the convex meshes that will create out of these shapes might include the space in the middle, which might become a problem like in this corner and this here. Well, yeah, Perton Matt, what's up? What's cracking? Do you do any kind of game deving yourself? Because my channel, my work is all custom C++. Just about everything except for physics and entity component system. Aside from that, just everything just my own from scratch. Let's roll it back and do it again. I remember there was a way to specify this in a different way. Either that or I can go look for a new Blender plugin that will give me more control about how it's going to cut things. Like, this is, I guess, is fine, but it's not that exciting. I need to go hunting. Let's go hunting. Blender add-on for fracturing meshes. Except I don't want an insanity thing. Maybe there was something like Blender cell fracture with guiding lines or something. Stick out YouTube. Odin, yeah, one of those new fancy languages. I have too much experience to C and C++, so I haven't particularly bothered with that. Let me see. I need an article. I really don't want to watch a video. Oh, damn it. Alright, hopefully this is going to be any good. Let me see. Intro, point sources. Vertices, child vertices. Talking about particles. Yeah, annotation pencil, that's what I remember. That you could draw annotation pencils. And I think then you could specify annotation pencils. Yeah. I just got it. Let's see what happens. Annotation pencil. Boom. Well, wasn't exactly what I was asking for, but I guess this is close enough. Now, speaking of your own game, how's your experience of Auden language, and specifically the tools? Because I always worry about languages and how good of a support tools are, debuggers, IntelliSense. Yeah, and the performance in debug builds especially. How's that for Auden? This is okay. Sure, let's try it. Let's see how well this works. Is there a way to just clear out all the annotation lines? Let me see. Remove all annotations. These to remove. Annotations. Don't see anything amazing on here. Right click. I mean, there's gotta be a better way of doing this stupid line. Eraser. Guess that's something. Oh, here's a radius. Still. Let's see, does this look like a normal convex meshes? I think it is. This one will be a little off, but it will also be the first one to pop off. So I think that's fine. Okay. Wall corner fracture. Okay. Export. Attempt to bring this file into my resources. Not the prettiest way. Whoops. Wall corner. Doesn't reach double import, huh? But it's pretty small, so it's whatever. Is the idea to knock off a directional hit. So right now the way I actually do it is I pop off the chunks from the top to bottom. Oh, did not copy? Directional is potentially, I can definitely do that too. With it's both from the top and also because I know where the shot happens, I can pop it off what's closest to that location. So I can build that over time for sure. Oh, I forgot. I need to add this thing in one more place. There's a reference here. No, yes. Corner. Yeah. Alright, here we go. So this is where I basically have the basics implemented. And now it's the pain of adding all the destructible portions to every type of the walls that I have, which is some number of them. Right now it's basically 3 types: full wall, corner, and the end wall, which is like a half a wall. Now some of them have rotations as well, but it's essentially the same thing. So right now I'm doing corners. Now, unfortunately I have 4 different prefabs depending on the direction. I should really fix this, but later. Alright, so let's see, for this corner. It needs to have a life. It needs to have connect shape. Then hit recoil to see what damage coming from. Life is fine. Color shape. Let's see, it starts with corner pieces, static. Oh yeah, it was also damage class. Damage component. Headed in the wrong direction, huh? Huh? I never remember what the problem here is. Just restart. Now, initially adding the addition implementation was easy enough. It wasn't a big deal. The main primarily comes from making it pretty and working all those different side cases. I have corner, northeast. Oh, let's see. Damage, hit recoil, life. What is going on? Wow, object is dead. Oh, yeah. It's -1 here. Okay. Well, I just not draw in that case. Or is it just return? Destructible walls. Alright, let's try this again. I'll just save this time so I don't lose the progress. Okay, and damaged will be walls, corner, I really need a filter to it so I can just do it quicker. I need to think of a way to so automatically it gets picked up somehow. Maybe based on naming or something. So I have to specify this myself. Some kind of description elsewhere. Okay. Open-ended life. Alright, let's see. Let's see if this works. Not yet. Oh, it's the wrong angle. It's whatever that is. That is not that corner. Which corner is the southwest? And now messed around of northeast. I need to implement a feature where I can just copy this entity out. Just copy the whole entity away. That would help a lot. Problem is, as I load the different prefab, this entity will be gone forever. So I have to keep a reference to the prefab and the entity. That could be challenging. Challenging for sure. It might be easy just to modify the JSON file with prefabs instead of suffering like that, because the only difference is the rotation. That's the only difference. Right, because northeast, just checking sure. Yeah, because they initially start out looking north. East is there, that's southeast, southwest, northwest. Okay. Yeah, it will be easier just to do the copy myself in text. Okay, let's go. So we have this. And I think I can just copy this whole chunk. Poor's man editing of prefabs. In the future, I'll definitely need to address this in a better way. So now I just need to rotate them properly. Let's see, this is southeast, so that should be... 190, this is southeast, yes. Southwest. South to the west. Southwest. And northwest. Save. Ugh. That looks bad. Southwest corner. Let's cut this rotation. But it's not the same thing as rotation on these walls. Yeah. So rotation should already be taken into account. Alright, let's see what's going on in here. Convex shape. That looks right. Wall corner, wall corner, wall corner. See what happens. What the hell? It's almost like it popped it from the bottom as opposed to top. That's so weird. That's fine. So that's southwest, right? Yeah, let's go look at southwest. I don't care about no mesh. Let's hide that. It's almost like it's breaking it from a, or like upside down somehow. Oh no, that is the way I do it. Unless there's a bad reference somewhere. Corner fracture. Flying is 15. Means the 4 pieces are still on. Oh, the mesh. The mesh showing the wrong part. Oh, is it? Conflict. Oh, showing dynamic. Why? Why? Grab the entity again. Show wall corner, yes. So the static pieces. Oh, did I? Oh. Yeah, okay. That was a problem. I definitely need to find it somewhere else, because this is too easy to mess up. And I have to go and modify each one like that painfully. Painfully. Probably easiest to do it by name somehow. Yeah, now we're talking. Except that part. I mean, okay. That's fine. Okay, now mesh needs to go. Don't want to see you. It looks fine. So then the one that was being an issue. Wasn't supposed to multiple pieces. Why is it acting like that? Oh, this, yeah. 5 pieces total. So yeah, that's fine. And then this piece I think was fine. I hit that wall too, that's funny. But then this last piece... Why? Wall debris. Meshes of 3. And this is not of 3 at all. How is this of 3? Huh. Huh. Definitely need to make this longer. You know what? Let's do that. Put some mesh. Right? Yeah. I'll be able to read it. Hello? No? That wasn't the thing that did that? Damn. Oh, I had a separate one. Okay. What the hell do I use there? Oh, that must be using some custom stuff still. Really? Really? Yep. Sure is. Sure is. Okay. So, it is different. Gotta know why. Gotta know why. Interestingly, only the last piece. So let's see. Oh, maybe this happens logic on removal. And I have a bug here that doesn't handle the crackling. I've been coding for a while, actually. Sure has been some time. Sure has. Alright, pop off any remaining pieces. This is where it should be. Right? Yes. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Tendinic fracture, good. What the remaining flag is. Attached parts flag is 8. Really 8? Why? I guess it's sorted by height, so it can be in whatever order, so it should be fine. So fine, has let 1 left over. Okay. Okay. Got the eye. Oh, this might be a bug of this little thing. I'll bet that's what it is. I think it's more, just needs to be that. So that's right mesh. Who sets the right collider? Oh, I don't set the right collider here at all. Because it's a different logic. I need to do this portion too. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's see. Maybe I want to shoot it with a laser for precision. Yeah, right now, it would be nice if pepped off exactly where you hit it, but even so, oh, some weird stuff. I think the laser. I need to update the laser so it actually hits. Actually, should. Let's see, collision rules. Yeah, that's a problem. Usually laser ignores debris, and the wall parts is only marked as debris. Yeah, well, whatever. Let's see. Chunk it. Chunk it. Chunk it. Alright, let's do this. Physics system. Keep an eye on that physics frame time. Let's go out and see what's up. Right now there's only one wall that doesn't have destruction. Just hide behind this wall. Unfortunately those parts are not destroyable yet. There's only one problem is that sometimes the bottom chunks, they don't get pushed enough. It's bothersome. That needs to be pushed enough. Let's go look at the new place. Come on, fire boy. Oh my god. What I definitely do need though is I need to add little edges between little parts. So once you see the wall being damaged, you should be able to see little lines going all around. Which should be easy enough to do when I self-fracture it. Unfortunately that part right now is indestructible. But that's the little blast part that's not destructible. So I have to do that, and this time I did a bunch of stuff, huh? Fix this and okay. All corners can be destroyed as well. Now, I need this. Wall end. It does look nice. It looks very satisfying. Let's just keep an eye on performance. This is already in debug build, and it's running that well in debug. I'm not worried. Okay. So this will be wall end fracture. But I'm curious. Maybe let's not have, but let's have 3 pieces. Let's see how different works with just 3. No, that's too linear. Dude, no. Let's see. Cut it up like. Wait, what? Annotate. Take it this way and then cut it that way. Okay. That's better at least. That's fine. That's fine. I need to find how to hide annotations. Blender, hide annotations. Is there some kind of freaking hotkey or something? Yeah, I know there's eraser, but oh. Bye-bye. Okay. Let's delete that. Now, to make this one slightly more different, I need to add some more gaps in between that. I wonder when you call this cell thing. Let's redo it. I still have this wall end. Annotations are still there. When I do cell, Bro, really? Really? Fine. Sometimes. All right. Oh, annotations are gone. Okay. A good chunk here, a chunk there. Okay. Don't put. Fine, that's fine for now. Don't care enough. Okay, so now I want to create some gaps in here on that side. I wonder how I can do it easily in Blender. At least just visually. Without creating too many freaking triangles like a maniac. Let's you hide here. What the hell's going on here? Oh, because it's cut off from now and because it's all edges. Oh, that's what it means by sharp edges. I see. Sharp edges, don't need sharp edges. Maybe annotation depends on how you look at the object. Let's see. Yeah, I guess it kind of does. Kind of. There you go. Sure. Sure. Close enough. Close enough. Okay. Let's get this out of there. Right? Line fracture. That should be the last piece of the wall. And maybe I can take a look at popping off a chunk of the wall that's closest to the hit. That would be an improvement for sure. For sure, especially for laser. Alright, Mr. Walland. Time to do you. Let's find one that doesn't. What is by default? I guess south? What's the different rotation? Yeah, south. Let's do that. It might make sense to actually create like a template of all the components to add. Because everything is just... Need convex shape. Have it off, yes. Static here. Son of a. Yeah, this part. Right? Yeah. Catch more little crashes in the editor. Just a little more. South end. Okay. It is temporarily gone. It is coming from walls. And it's the AM part. Hey, awesome drop productions. I think it'll be amazing in 2 years at least from now. Right now, this year, I'm just aiming for a demo, more like a tech demo. Let's see, Walland fractures, static. Alright, this is 25. Alright, let's test it. Should be able to grab the life value and just spook, chunk it all away, right? I think so. Let's go test it. See, south end wall. Let's put it right here. South. Right? Almost. What am I missing? What am I missing? What's up, awesome dub production? What you guys doing? Let's grab this. Convex shape. What, does it really not set the source mesh? Really? I guess it doesn't. It should be. Where is that? Let me see. On convex shape. This sort of adds that. Object. Static. That looks better. There you go. Smackaroni. Okay. Oh, what happened to our wall? There you go. That's fine. Alright, so now the southern portion looks fine. Which means I can go and copy that to all the other prefabs. And then I just need to rotate them back in place to make them right. This is the last time doing those rotations. That's just a giant pain. Just a giant pain. Hey, Beanie. Yeah, for sure. No worries. Okay. I just copied all this. So I just need to reload the prefabs. I need to point all these wall ends the right direction. Let's see, what is that? -80. Alright, east is going this way, so 90. And west is the last piece. That's -90. Alright, let's go out in the wild and take a look. Yeah, see, this one has a... Oh my god, that this thing popped. Popped like there is no tomorrow. Oh, it's interesting. It doesn't hide the shapes. What am I missing there to hide the shape? I need to add a clear component to make it hideable. But yeah, that's funny. That is funny. Let's go look. Let's see. Physics. Hey, stop destroying stuff, you bastards. Frame rate. Ooh. That was nasty. Yeah, physics cost remains more or less stable. I need to make it like a graph as opposed to just min-max it. Yeah. Smacking itself. Now there's no escape. There's no escape. That's pretty fun. Take that to your face though, you bastards. Wait, is the target nearby still? I'm out of mana. Out of mana. Hey, I need Beanie in Discord. It's a good progress because yesterday I got the idea to do destructible walls. That's kind of when I started. So this is good progress. The performance is excellent. There are a few definite spikes when it's hitting on me. If anything, the bigger worry is the navigation mesh updating itself. But so far, I'm doing it pretty quick. Hey, take care of some drop productions. Have fun or whatever you're doing. The other thing, you have to be careful the way pieces are created so that it's clear that it's not navigatable through. Oh snap, I took too much damage. And hell and dying right now is not supported. It teleports you into nothing. Into complete and utter nothingness. Yeah, what the game is really missing now is the sounds. I need all the cracking sounds when the wall gets broken to just fly the F up. Like that one. Jesus. Might need to add some more particles too, though. The wall's breaking them up. What I actually wanted to do was, you know what? What is the easy thing to do for an improvement? Let's do this. Because this one has a visual significance, so it's broken. Let's do... Sure, corners next. I just need to introduce gaps in between these cuts. I wonder what's the easy way of doing that. Well, I could just recut the wall anyway. I really need to include the original cut though, and somehow ignore it in the in parsing. Maybe some kind of blender approach. Let's see, blender. Increase gaps between objects, meshes. Not really. Alright, let's see. Select all objects and go here. And I just need to clear sharp lines. There you go. Oh, it's still disconnected. That's lame. It is really lame. Fine, I'll just recut it. I'll just recut. But yeah, in the future, definitely need to find better an improvement over the cell fracture. No, I don't like that. Something I can give more control over it. What is this rand? It's got enough for now, I guess, but I'm curious. Maybe the problem is it doesn't have enough vertices in these pieces. Okay. How about now? I don't have a problem hitting the bottom part though. That chunk is way too tiny in there. You know, part of the interesting thing here is that because different shapes are treated equally to life damage, it's like a minor improvement to make. This is decent. Yeah. Except for this part. Ooh, convex mesh on this one is gonna be a pain. Absolute pain. That's not gonna fly. This will be good enough, I think. You know what? Let's go back to annotations. One line and a half. Here. There. Maybe it's the randomization. Except this part is so tiny. So tiny. You know what? I'll take this. I will take that. I dig it. Approved. Hey, thanks. Awesome production. Good luck on yours. Alias. Everyone starts somewhere. Even though I am primarily an engineer, I don't have the art skills. But you get everywhere one step at a time. The primary thing is not so much skills. It's the self-confidence to put it in time to try to get better. That's actually the biggest roadblock for most people. It's like playing sports. First time you play it, you might suck at it, but over time it'll get better. White. Why were there only 4 pieces? Didn't I ask for 5? I thought I asked for 5. I did ask for 5. What the hell did it give me? I did ask for 5. It just didn't give me 5. Yeah. Next time I'm doing this, I'm definitely looking for a Blender plugin to help me with better destruction. You know what, fine, let's go with this and see how badly this does. I want to see. Except I need to get rid of the sharp edges. Oh, sometimes it doesn't give me all the 5 pieces. Sometimes just being bad. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Now I could use some knowledge on Blender, because I want to introduce the gaps here. Because I can scale a little bit down. Actually, that might be the easiest thing. Screw it. No, I want to be independent. Individual origins. Oh yes, that is so easy to do. Hell yes. Hell yes. Oh yes. Save that. Alright, so that was a good example to learn on. Next I need I guess regular wall. Wall fracture. Yeah, let's redo this one. Hell no. Bro. Just cut it a few times. Maybe this will help. Okay. Okay, I dig it. Approved. Let's see, individual origins, yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is gonna look awesome. I can just feel it. Export. I think that's it. Oh, because this looks so good, I want to remake this port too. Wall and fracture. No, then I'll keep it as this. See how it looks in comparison. What did you hate? Transform is not valid. What did I change? I didn't change any particularly. Transform is not valid. T is not valid. There's a bunch of lies. Transform is not valid. Really? I mean, for now, at least make sure it doesn't crash in real thing. But what the hell was that? It looked valid to me. No, there's something just ain't right around City Folk. Maybe rotation's not normalized? Let me see. T valid. Let's try this. Is it really invalid? No, it's not. It is not valid. My guess is normalize. Will that be enough? Was that the problem? Or did it happen after that? I know that gap is not big enough to show up as a dark mode at all. Because I don't have ambient inclusion yet, so even though the gap is good, now I can fix this using ambient occlusion for sure. Oh, that looks good there. And why does that not look good? Weird. Huh. Just that part doesn't look great. I guess it looks fine from the angle when the shadow falls into it somehow, but on the dark side it isn't. How's that gap isn't? Oh, I get it. I get it. What do I? Actually, I'm not sure I do. It's like the shadows don't hit it. The shadows hit it here, but not from this side. Why? I shouldn't worry about such detail for now, but yeah, just no shadowing there. It's so weird. There's a clear shadowing here going on, but not there. I need to introduce some slower movement. Huh. So weird. From this side it looks shadowed. But I guess because it's both unshadowed. Oh yeah, they're both called because they're both unshadowed. But that one could use ambient occlusion to make it darker, which I currently don't have. I could bake it in a blender. And that would help a lot. But whatever. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Ain't gonna worry about it. Let's grab a controller. Blow shit up. I do need to solve this issue where the end part could be hard to hit. So sometimes just hits it. Oh, that's interesting. So when I shoot things with a mouse, it actually shoots it downwards. Whereas when I do it with a gamepad, it shoots the same height and it doesn't check if there's something there. Interesting. That's something to think about. Something to think about. Come on, bad boys. Let's see what you can do to the walls. Can I go through yet? No? Excellent. Now I can. Hey, Artipea, I remember you. I remember your name. Let's look at that. Yep. And now I can go through walls. Perfect. What was impressive is that the navigation mesh updating itself quickly enough with response to every wall chunk being removed. There's a queued nav mesh update happening. So it actually updates that in real time. So now those guys can just go through walls. That is so satisfying. Oh, I want to see this update again. I might actually just build the graph of PhysX time frame because I want to see how much it spikes. I can see the min max, that's fine. It goes up to millisecond. All this is debug build. Is it an indie game? Yeah, it's an indie game of my own. This is my own systems. I use a physical library to simulate like all the physics, but all the rendering is mine. Just about everything is mine. Ooh. And the player can actually just shove the wall pieces out of the way too. That's awesome. I might actually leave those walls be around longer for fun. Let's do that. Wall debris. let's make this longer, like 6 seconds on average, plus minus whatever. Let's take a look. Do your worst, boys. Do your worst. Boink, boink, boink. They're just gonna... Oh my god. Yeah, because I'm already applying forces to push chunks out of the way. Except the bottom ones. I think bottom ones have more friction against the floor, so they need more force to get blown away. I'm gonna try to play around with that. Yeah, the wall destruction adding a lot. Like, oh my god. Because prior to that, it was like, okay, walls, you can't do anything. But now suddenly, because you got walls, and they can be destroyed, now it's like, well, hold on a second, everything could just change. Now, right now I don't have colliders for players' feet, which is why she doesn't push chunks on the bottom. Yeah, it was only colliders for upper body. I need more for the bottom. But yeah. Huh. Do I not hear sounds because of my streaming setup? Or what? Man, at this point, I actually might want to add destruction even to these thick walls. Maybe you can't break them through completely, but at least like chip off a bunch of chunks. Do you need C++ for Vulkan? Absolutely not. Like I refuse to use C++ interface of Vulkan. I only use C API of Vulkan. The moment you use... So Vulkan comes with C and C++ on top if you want. However, the moment you use C++ API of Vulkan, it's going to be slower to compile. Because C++ headers are a giant pain to deal with. Oh my, this is more satisfying than I thought it would be. Jesus. And Impressal is running fast. It is not having any issues. I think the reason it runs so fast is because I'm doing very light, simple art shapes. So there's very little triangles going on. So it doesn't take much to make all this. You know, I might as well share what the project I worked when I was in college. Because I was always into destructible physics. Cranial Rumble 2. Oh, come on. Let me find it. Yeah, just do it with C, man. Like, especially nowadays, the way modern C++ is so complicated unnecessarily. I wouldn't touch it if it was 6-foot Paul. Hell no. Oh yeah, this was my college project, where instead of spending time trying to get better grades, I was building this when I was in college. It was all about physics even back then. Now right now I have an action RPG, so there's no like tanks blowing out, but even just doing that was fun. At that time I was using a graphics library called Ogre 3D, which I believe is still around. This was before I wanted to massive rendering and whatnot. And I believe this engine is still around. Not the engine, but the Ogre 3D dot... Not Ogre. 3D. Yeah, I was using this graphics library, and it's been around for a while. Up to level 14 now, yeah. That's what I used for that game. But physics was always fun. So yeah, as I began to work on my action RPG, what programming language do you need to learn in college? I would do one of the lower level languages that do not do management for you. Something lower level of your choice. C is a great thing to learn for sure. And it's easy enough. I would say C is very easy language to pick up. There's not a whole lot of things going on. Excellent, look at that. Unfortunately, my ray tracing build is a bit broken, doesn't have showing parts. I might have to implement transparency in my low render. Might. This is a laser. That's funny. Yep. One last thing I might add to wall destruction is pop off the chunks that are closest to the shot. That would be fun. Right now it just does it based on the out of my way. Boink, boink. Damn. That's actually a good beginning, because one idea I have for a male hero is to just punch through the walls. And it's gonna be amazing when you do it through the wall. Yeah. Oh yeah, now because my laser is piercing, it will pierce both the bad guys and the wall behind them. Let's go look for a new area to do that in. Like here, for example. Where's the bad boys at? Oh, they're already busy destroying everything. Yeah. Oh yeah, now even my air bomb's destroying everything. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesomeness. Frame rate is still holding. It's still holding. Yeah. I definitely want to be able to damage these thick walls too. Not break them through completely, because for gameplay they need to be there. But I want to be able to chip off giant chunks off of them. It's gonna be ARPG of physics. Because now even when I pick up a chest, that falls apart into pieces. Yeah, you know what? I do need add colliders for feet. Oh yeah, dash will definitely be coming for sure. Teleports, things like that. Although the thing is, in this game, you may not need much of a dash. Because usually when you play the game and you're like trying to shoot, you have to stop and then you shoot. So it's like move, stop, shoot, move, stop, shoot. But on this one, you can just shoot and move at the same time, so... Oh my god, hey, you just pushed the wall into me. But here... you just go around pushing the wall. It's fun, you just kicked it. It's funny. They do have shapes on them, right? Yeah, interesting. Oh, maybe robots don't collide of debris. But yeah, probably add some kind of dash at some point. I haven't gotten into like skills implementation, did like a few basic ones and that's it. Let's see, robot. I need a filter here. I do have a filter. Robot type. What are their colliding rules? Wait, he doesn't have colliding rules? No wonder. Physical collision rules. It's a robot. Collide of debris. Projectiles. There should be at least that. Yeah, but dashing would be fun, especially for a guy to just pump through the wall, just punch through walls and the robot. In that case, yeah, dashing will be a lot of physical motion. For sure. Yeah, that's exactly it. So this is the active RPG. So I actually already have like the item system, the inventories and whatnot that you can equip, change the output. And when you put something on, it actually changes the look of your character too. Oh no, bikini's gone. Wait, what happened to bikini thing? What the hell's going on? I think I broke some model. That's so weird. What did I break? That's so weird. Oh, someone completely broken for some reason. What happened there? Yeah, I spent a lot of effort into the outfits for the female for sure. Because the biggest draw of the game actually, that the character will actually start to have, it will wear like a jumpsuit, it will be super conservative in the very beginning. And then the more you play the game, and the higher, the more rare items, or the more revealing they will be. So I have more clothing to make eventually. But that's bizarre. Why is it not working for some parts? Oh, it works fine in the non-ray tracing mode, but I somehow broke ray tracing. I've done that before once, I forget what the problem was. Yeah, for clothing is detail, but for robots and other things not particularly. It's weird. Clothing works fine here. Man, I'm really glad I got this ponytails to work, even if collider shapes against the player. I don't understand what the problem is. Let's clean it out. And do it again. The Z-axis. So in my case, vertical up is actually Y. It's plus Y for up. Initially it used to be plus Z, but then the format I use for the model is called GLTF, and that thing pretty much forced me to use plus Y. So I switched out everything. Alright, so let's see, what's broken? Which top is broken? It's only working again? Bro. Why is it suddenly working? Like now it's working fine. Why? Huh. Weird. It's weird. Well, whatever. Let's play around some more, maybe I'll be able to repro it later. Yeah, but I definitely need sounds. I think that's the next biggest thing I need, just the sound effects. Hello, what is this? Oh, this entity again. It's probably dead. Dead entity. Yeah. Oh yeah, because robot was destroyed and it's trying to add its own end time. Okay, yeah. Okay. This is like one of them. I think half of my crash is coming from these checks not being there. It's a good thing to catch. Let's see, I'll laser this thing. Let's see, can I just go through? I can now. Excellent. Boink, boink. Oh yeah, at some point I wanted to add more force to the bottom pieces, but let's see. Maybe I'll push them out just fine. You know, and while I'm here, let's test the outfits one more time. Everything's fine this time. So weird. Well, this is a good moment to save the game. Let's see. I should destroy that ball. No, it held just fine. Wow. Maybe it's weird. Make a shield to come bounce all the projectiles back. Yeah. Although bouncing is, I think it's a bit too unpredictable. It's going to be too difficult to really bounce directly at it. I think I would rather just gamify it and we'll make it so that when you have a shield on, you're basically guaranteed to have the right bounce. Like the moment it takes a bounce, it just automatically sends it back to wherever is next to you. Multiplied damage. In that case, it would take energy, drain energy while you have it up, but then you're guaranteed to do damage back, otherwise it becomes too much of a gimmicky. That's probably the right way, but yeah. A lot of cool things I could add now. Once I have a male hero, I could technically even just have him grab a piece of the wall and just chunk it at somebody. Boink. Boink. The wall piece is actually protected against bullets until it completely goes away. I just need to add, while I'm here, before I forget, let's add some colliders for the feet, right? Add a shape. Let's see, is it thigh or leg? Let's do leg. I forget what it's called now. What is it called, the bone name? everything. Pose. Let's go edit. Oh, shin. Shin and thigh, I see. Yeah, I found a few websites where I could buy sound effects. I already paid for membership in one of them, which seemed decent enough. The challenge of sound effects is that it's not that easy. You can't just like grab something that sounds right and drop it into the game. You have to do a lot of finagling to make it actually sound decent. For example, where are you going to find the sound of a laser just like scraping the wall? There's no sound to that. But you have to make something. Let's see, shin. Let's say shin, let's make it a capsule. Fine. That's probably close enough for what I need. Yeah, take care already. I'm streaming most days, as long as the internet doesn't give out again like it did today. Take care. Oh, you know what? I can just duplicate the shape. And then assign it to the other foot. I said I want to assign it to the other foot. Bone 5. Huh? Bro, why is it not switching? Yep, take care. Colliders and bones, let's see. I'm getting hungry though. Could use another steak. Another pound of steak at least. Yeah, I have that. Could do it. Yeah. As I suspected. Come on, bro. Why are you not switching? Switching it here. But then suddenly switches it back. Why? 21. Attached bone 5. 21. What could it be? Double rainbow. What could it be? Double rainbow. Double rainbow. don't know. I don't know. But it's very clearly ignoring me. Shin left, shin right. Can I change it here? No. Why? It just doesn't want to change anymore. Oh, is it because of a name thing? Or once a name is set, the ID is forced from it? I'll bet that's what it is. Just clear this thing. I bet this will magically start working. Let's see, collider. Attach to bone. There's a name there, sure. I actually have a bone name here. Could even make it correct. Hey, Jimmy. Okay. Okay. Alright. So those shapes, she should not be able to just swap things out of the way. Ain't nothing gonna be in the way now. Let's see. Oh, that's not what I want. Start again. I'm gonna smack this. Oh yeah. Now the shin bones. They can punch that chest pretty hard. Oh yes. What you got? Did you think you can hide behind walls? I don't think so. Ain't happening. Wait, why are these walls not working? Oh, did not save the wall ends? Yeah. What the hell? Maybe I didn't save the wall ends. I probably didn't. I probably didn't. That sucks. Sometimes I'll lose my own progress. Let's see. South wall. As an example. Dude. Yeah. I lost. Damn it. That sucks. Yeah, because I did a clean build and I lost all that modification. At least I kept it here, right? Yeah, so I just lost these guys. Damn. Damn. Gonna have to add it back in. Critical damage, this, and a convex shape into it. I think that's it. Undamaged walls. This is a wall and static, wall and dynamic. I mean, that shouldn't need to be added anymore, I think. So this is south end, yes. I think that's it. Okay. Okay. So now, make sure I don't screw it up. Go to south end. Do the poor man editing of prefabs by hand like a savage. Like an absolute freaking savage. I think with destruction I only really want to do one more thing that's fundamental. And that is pop the chunk. Oh, my bad. Forgot to rotate the wall ends. That's the north end. Well, east is already fine. But west is not. And what is that, 90 or minus 90? Minus 90. Why was east already correct? Oh, because I didn't add things to the east. Yeah, I was wondering. Okay. Now we can go test everything. West, east. Okay. Get rid of them. Alright, now before I forget, copy it over. So I don't lose it. Do your worst, Boba. Do your worst. Yeah, one thing I've added is I added little gaps between wall parts. So the moment the wall gets damaged, you can immediately see the little parts that are about to fall apart. So that you know if the wall is completely healthy or it's start taking damage like that. Boom, kick the wall right into the faces. I could actually make it so that if you like happen to push the wall into them, it would actually do damage to them. That would be awesome. Just to just capitalize on this wall feature. Like I should be able to just like grab. Maybe if like the wall falls on them because you shoot it for the wall and the wall falls on them. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Just using them shin bones. Smack, smack. Until there's nothing left. I will probably want to add some destruction to these full walls as well. Just to have them chunked out a little bit. The only problem is they don't have like the other side. So they wouldn't really have life so much. Boom, I'll make walls make doors my own. Yeah, exactly. So when you have big chunks fall on their faces, because that definitely will happen. Like if I'm shooting here, you can definitely send a wool chunk flying into them. Let me. Like when I'm shooting here. Yeah, like right there. I can definitely do it. Easily. I just need to add more pushing force when hitting the wall, including shooting the wall. If you hit a wall chunk of your projectile, right now I'm not applying any physical force at all to that, but I can definitely do it. So when you hit the wall, it will stop your damage, but it will just punch it into them. I can definitely have a lot of fun with physics. Because right now it just kind of flings it, but not all that hard. Yeah. The sidewalls will require something different. They'll be indestructible, but they'll be able to shed the lining a little bit. But I also want to add the graph for the physics, so keep an eye on what kind of spikes I'm seeing. Because I'm actually doing some real-time processing right now, which might be slow, at some point. Yeah. Well, even the debug build, it still runs fine. And I'm sure if I put it in release build, it's gonna fly. Fly. Oh yeah, it's gonna be physics action RPG for sure. Because usual RPG, they just, all you do is just kind of fling pretty particle spells. You just kind of fall down, that's it. There's almost no destruction of any kind. But here, and because I'm not going for AAA, I can get away with some massive destruction and damage. Right now I don't have any damage to the floor right now, but I could actually add that too. Eventually. Boink. Including just using laser. Mow it down. Alright, before I forget all the progress, it's time to save all this all down. All the walls are breakable now. That's pretty much it. I'm actually impressed that this runs well enough. And it's not giving me any headaches at all. It's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. Boink. Boink. Convex shapes are nice. Oh, I did want to look at one thing actually. Yeah. Because this is where it can be a little off, because convex shapes end up carving up the parts you may not want. Let's take a look. Yeah, like right here, but it seems nice enough where it's not a particularly big issue. Yeah, like on those corners, it should be okay. That's fine. Not too worrisome. Sweet. Sweet. Let's make sure that I didn't lose anything. Just clean it all out. Build it again. And now I need to cook some steaks or whatnot. So this might be a good time to end the stream. Maybe. I'll maybe just cook the steak in between little breaks, and it should be fine. On the other hand, I do need some break. Do some exercising. Oh, ribs are great. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I need to eat a steak and do some exercises. Maybe go outside for a sprint if it's not raining. That'll be good. I think it's been some 6 hours since I ate. It was a good fasting time. Yeah. Alright, GMA. I'm gonna take off. It's steak time, exercise time. And then back at it tomorrow. Good progress. I need to make a little video of all this effects now. Take care.